Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error when opening Linkvertise. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection's stable. If your Wi-Fi is weak or your mobile data is lagging, that's usually the reason Linkvertise won't load. Try switching networks. Turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data, or connect to another Wi-Fi network. That alone fixes it most of the time. Next, if you're using a VPN, go ahead and turn it off. Linkvertise doesn't really like VPNs and they can block access or slow everything down. After that, refresh the page. If your VPN's off and your connection's solid, it should load right up. Still not working? Try restarting your phone. I know it sounds simple, but it clears out temporary network bugs that build up over time. You can also clear your browser cache if the issue keeps showing up. That resets old browsing data and helps your browser load pages cleanly. If none of that works, just switch browsers, like from Chrome to Firefox or Brave. Sometimes one browser just refuses to cooperate. Once you've done all that, try opening Linkvertise again. If it loads, perfect, you're all set. And that's it. Check your internet, disable VPNs, and restart if needed. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.